say mahu sama trend one na na Jantuah we bo abasi na aka kire mo sama trend
atem didie ndi agibia
oh akokwa na see Jeff we me second president ba akokwa na me ka say I think say wo adwuma why bebre a chen me but akokwa na me hwe adwuma we mu ne say etimi mi wie no bi bon hey Eugene wo ya ade a I take it on the face value. Oh, me that's it. You are quanim. Me ya de na and is because I'm a kind na come in
favor no.
And I favor this year into me ya de. But I'm kwama no me fact na kwama na analysis na kwama na didn't kwama no. I'm the world journalist am about you say. Akokwa President John Dramani Mahama eba Ashanti region.
Sure. And
I am not in any way attacking my boss Nana Kwadwo Jantuah. The 48 laws of power never I'll sign your boss. My boss on Sunday Wakokwa, call your deputy morning show host. But I share a different opinion, Kaka. Neither me say different opinion in the President Mahama about Ashanti region. This is the third time. 4th December, no Ashanti region, or Comencia, in about 12-14 minutes, or sorry, actually that Santiman Council in the presence of Utumfo, near Juma Wayan Ashanti region. Eni ni enti Asantefonya ni mwa gidie no monto abama no. The victory of the NDC no, one region contributed greatly at the Ashanti region. About 32% of the votes, omunya say 70 finally. Mebwa, yewie bibia no. 70 historic. E chew say obroni be ka pitch. O ko padwuma bi wo ba bia. Obo ho mra ne, ye frem Eugene Osei-Tutu. Me adwuma nhire fem. Me analyst, me say producer, pitch. Pitch no be na santeman no. Ghana for nya ni mugidie e man a resounding victory. NDC and then will be that after the days of Rollins. And the channel say, I didn't know be kind of tall Asante Futrim. 2 regional minister Kasano Kabi was nananom man na madane dane say menkeye budaso. And wabe John Dramani Mahama phase 2 ya said so far there akokwa it's nanano mungusun guide no buy no. And obroni beka retreating the second time obeka ade we no da kwasidai okaya and so be kuma se be so tumfo boss the third time and me do say to the permit checks Martin any wiki or say project we mu obeye wa Ashanti region 1 so am interchange na be say oh asade ayanya ya na so obeye you tie the phrase na or say they will complete and continue Oboni tape na continue no so aminta mbetoa so. Second phase of KJTR market redevelopment. Crofro market Mampontin market Nyamampo market Mampontin market. Utie ni audio na President Mahama said 2026 nyame ya adoma oni Osei-Tutu nyame kese na nkasa otumfo Osei-Tutu eba akoye commissioning 3 market we akoye time na yi. The important is our journalists e bia me jina me kan me say our duties are 3. We score keep we gatekeep and we watch dogs. Scorekeeping it say Mahama said 2026 obewie 3 market. KJTR phase 2 grow from Amponte market. Until December 2026 nyame ya adom na metinkom na me wu nko ade a na me begira ha na me kai na I am doing what my scorekeeping role. Usi wo be say na me kai wo.
Right.
Mentai no. Owie no say Afra military hospital and the defense minister kwose bo say September ye bewie no obeye. Sewia say regional hospital te say near region Accra no oso obeye. Confirm teaching hospital a champion start ye bugu ye ya anya no MBU no oso obeye. KNUS teaching hospital no so obuadi kwan so ye starting around 2006 2007 oso obeye. No we are rehabilitation of the Babayara Sports Stadium. Akwa promises ni can Mahama do it? Are you just say to submit that he can? Why? They be American. The biggest infrastructure investment in the Ashanti region today is to Mahama's credit. That is the KJTR market phase 1. Per me checks, or say the project a staggering 298 million will be expanded in the reconstruction of the KJTR central market in a modern edifice. The project will be built in 3 phases, starting from Kumasi KJTR bus terminal, which is phase 1, at the cost of 198 million. The second and third phase of the project, valued at 100 million, will center on works at the main Kumasi central market. Akokwa. Until say abaya buankra project in Ashanti region ne boarding Mahama na yemayen these are facts. It may dream say president onya say susuye no sensuo to na techa yema mimu tibdididwa obey a modern market my no kokwa okaso obese boya me ginidi again bono the time is kan ho and say kokwa anytime ka say me ginidi ni say we can only hope 8 years we ni ye edi ba ni afa mfre yen
but utie the discussions no na mene na ye ka ho asem na it was my timeline. That is about a year. Yen kanisa.
So 2006 and 12 16 months.
1.5 years.
16 months.
Yen fanisa. Roughly 1.5 years. Now ye share currently. Bosha no mo omo share yes omo beye no. Egu akwemu the NDC's manifesto. Wo ho. A very capital intensive and cost intensive. Now from there omo can say kada ho. Still within the IMF program. You see the kada yenim. I see it me a handle. And what Eugene, we didn't hear about the cost component of this project.
Which is true.
We yanti a sign yebebo ewo projects promises yi nyina ho. Now sikano yebeko akofa every ebi say oh yentua tax ana. We knew we pay taxes already. Ebi wo kro ba ye we ye fro ya sa de foforo bi abekan 1 Ghana cedi on fuel ne adade. Ne ye kan say say ya economy na say recover nkakran. Dollar you create na yenim say Bank of Ghana pompe be 1.4 billion. Na no ne there
IMF the buy.
Omo pompe egu mu. And it tells you say o mine no ba bia ye gina no nye den. Enyina ye still. Nye say ye ho ato ye bi ne ye be ye entina. Your question is say where are we going to get this fund from? Na cost component no kra no.
Yes. I agree with you. So me try no, but I agree with you. But what I also add is that most of these projects have been started. It would say the NDC promise now. Mostly the big push initiative, they were supposed to use it. Manifesto.
Let's not forget, say the projects have started. For instance, Crowflow Market, and ye de Zuba Trichenkomo.
Also 150 million.
Contractors be work cry ye de omo and yes be a project and baby edun ye peer you. If you are kakra day, that they need to pay off those things before we continue.
You see, if I should break down what the General 2 years report for you, you change your mind.
Right.
But the reason I'm saying I also agree with you and those coming from that school of thought is that because of past promises be a yenya amem. And the way I am that's why I said I don't fall to be your James.
Yes, you monte promises no so.
Akokwa, nti am me say be ye say afere. Let me give you a clear example.
Right.
Afere ni here about 32 million cedis to utilize it. So we are na nya so obi say me say makoko. Oma anya kwan na Osewia Junction, oma ye wo Wisconsin University wo no. E kwan na we mfutu kwan de ba akokwa. Ubie hospital na ebetimi ahwe nipa. Akwa nyema ni bebre aka no. Just bits and pieces of things. So it's not as if it cannot be done. And also let's not create the impression say what can say sikane that one aye kofa. And also legitimate, but I'm saying that I would trust the president on this call because of what he's done in the past. Marketer, there's no president in Ghana what's the modern market or something you said don't mind Mahama.
Oh yeah.
Gabi remind me Atonsu market. Meboa. Tafo said John Mahama, I think I saw Kremampon. Most of the modern market, no bit Atonsu market. And John Mahama is here. It's make on the market score. Me, I would trust him to deliver. I could say we are. I say electricity ne kwine. Ya kwine no. So electricity, bit me aye edi akoye. I will make it. It's an expressway now. All cano. Na me ne kofidum fe. Kono wako Kenya ba. Ebi amu mo ne nkasa wiki. Uko Kenya Mombasa expressway no. E heavily towed. It's na Mahama say ye dualization aye no kana. Omo ye expressway na ni a different road. And no bia fast we be between 50 cedis 3 hours we do Kumasi. That can be a private initiative. Your friend will build, operate and transfer BOT. It's an innovation financial scheme. I just say Gabu na wosika. See usi operative for a while. As a University of Ghana and Africa Integra horse no musino le man kwa ponse ni sa no. They are BOT. They are innovative financial models kan. Akokwa wosika. Abanko be so ya express you accredit Kumasi 240 kilometers. Wosika see usia te o kata 30 years we imagine ade. And if an build, operate and transfer. You will boot and so build, operate, own and transfer. Financial
all those
models
things are understandable, but in the presentation was those things mentioned.
No, and I make
what baby yeah free but
yes, I agree.
Discussing with Zubano, it's like Abanye Chesika to what that. It's not private partnership for the crew room. In fact, yesterday he was on the crew room. And we saying say a car there you no promises no. timelines no your project management na church mu wa which time is of essence
akwa market no the time no he akwa 60 months grow from metimi aye you say akwa enye say
bia o hokra 3 months o betimi aye one thing we are saying is
o say akwa ahwe Zuba o say 150 no wo ho o say we need close 150 to fully complete maintain interview na betimi guide ba no siska bi wo ho
akwa ni omu startup fund about 7 million
exactly
which omo edaho but say no contractors be issues wom they need to finish that one.
I agree with you.
September.
I see there is one hopeful, and I want to stand on the hopeful bit is that. This is KJT phase 1. Can't we plow back the revenue from that? They acquire financial audit report tomorrow. Akwana not just saying offer salary not just saying KJT market board not do almost 20,000 as offer me boy. Now also as I say bro. Says can it me and you two as our market and cana. The profit can be used to build what the phase 2. How about the issue? Name because I mean to a large extent. The time no yard say your maintenance and so can. Say ye I go have private man BSc hostela.
Right.
Hey. We see we to nyaka kra no say that tasa na we yen kakran kakra. Ba yen no because ya na ya ban project ya dwen say yen sam to phase 1 ye no. Eje ase kra na yenye. So I agree with you, but I'm hopeful that the man making the promise, a man can be from news or our audio, no bit about mamma. Or from no. A man did your own can be or was our video.
Mammy, say a bit too much. Kakra.
Nhyira fan. A woman of fire people say. So be done my never trauma. Be done. Obe sida my never trauma. If you say Kufado, I Diana Bayan. When she
what band this? Mahama, ever see my dear, and yes, what's a swan?
Ain't he? Utio ma? They are hopeful. Say, Omutiminya winnie dear.
No, what as you can say? A who for the croy yan dear.
Wait,
Mahada. Equaba Santi Regina, almost 7 out of 10 at MPP.
Yeah.
Intina yomu di atema MPP journalist, Kumasi journalist. Na gas answer phone say baby boy, yenye bibi e so. Ba kwakwati. O se den. Se Mahama kura nya kukudra ba. Uta kwakwa sometimes obi sha wo ba. Akwa me na me no na me. Me sure boss also pe boss am se me nya 500 million ma abaje adi.
David.
Unyini.
Na wo mu ni kafe.
Ba kojo Jantuah sure boss obi nya 500 million ma so abaje adi.
Ni abaje adi.
So what you say? When I can't say, didn't it's a man and you did be say, Mamma, make a 500 million.
So, o papa so deca. Tio, o papa deca. Ni pay slip soon in a loons ni guso. No catch us or better SUV amount next a year. And those who say, I walk will be a can as I must say. O papa deca, or say, Obia mamma de air back by your castle penny and GD church. I shan't be a do in GD. Into the man, I like that. I see the intentions of the man. Okay,
it's also key. Aqua president. Etuka from market
yeah.
That alone tells you say our pepebi sad and on your bay.
Okay.
So now make us the intention.
Right.
Agwa oba no coffee for KJT Ibia no kwa jinja no kwa ya me meka. But for him to calm down, go interact with the market women, it gives me the confidence adia no onya obeye. Takwa me de agidie. December 2026 do say Kim. Na wonye ya. Me you say to me don me na me ti asenko a me san be gina be boni tiri so. Because he hian.
Right.
And akokwa.
Okay.
Health no so important. Wrapping up on this. Now Ashanti region what the worst health proximity ratio.
Okay.
Regional a free fear call hospital ratio na Ghana statistics say regional na dey Ashanti region. In the hospitals e hian. Come the besia. Na kokwa. Manya manfo beka say me I'm saying the go journalist say me dinu krados ba me agenda bi bebre.
Ye mo so kakra.
Takokwa we kakra.
Next week ye be share dey nya brain.
Yes.